Hi guys, I'm Tony with Alliance Specialties in Laser Sales. I'm here with Rick Hendry. Rick runs our laser welding, laser engraving department.
Welding.
Well, you help push that work through.
I move it if it needs to be moved, yeah.
How long you been here?
I think I've been here almost 13 years now.
13 years.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping so far so good.
I'm still here.
Yeah.
You know, so got that going for us.
That's good. How did you get hired here? How did you start here?
I've been doing some other machine work around some other towns and shops, and I knew Doug just from around school and whatnot, and I needed a different job, and I was bored with what I was doing. I didn't like it, and he said he was starting a laser welding company. So I bopped in one day after about a year and a half of him already starting it up, and kept bugging him, give me a shot, and he did, and I'm still here.
So you went from just coming in, I'm assuming not having much welding experience.
None at all.
None at all.
Right.
So no welding experience to running essentially the whole department.
Yeah, well, we started out with pretty much 2 guys, and now we have, 7?
Yeah.
So.
And then the TIG welding as well, which you don't do.
I don't do that, but I know how to point and tell them what to do.
Yeah. I'm right there with you. What do you like about, I guess, if you like working here, what do you like about working here?
I do like the fast pace of things sometimes because it just keeps things moving. It keeps me interested, you know, and mainly I just like getting the work in and moving it back out and making everybody else happy. That's pretty much what it comes down to. And, you know, the product, the end product of everything.
How has it been going from somebody that does the work to somebody assigning the work?
Well, I still do the work.
Of course you do.
Just not quite as much, but I mean, I'm still welding 8 hours a day.
Yep.
You know, but again, it's a little bit more responsibility. Obviously, you gotta make sure you're giving the right jobs to the right people. You gotta feel confident in what their abilities are, and just kind of go with that. I guess I don't know.
So what is your hobby outside of work?
I'm an outdoors guy.
Okay.
I like to fish. Like to be in the water almost all the time. Get on the bike.
What kind of bike?
Mountain.
Yeah.
Not dirt. Not dirt bikes.
Yeah, pedal bike.
Yeah. Not so much anymore at the surgery, but it's coming back. Back around. You know, golf like everybody else does.
Yeah.
So.
People have seen that at the outing. I'm sure there's footage on whatever golf outing video we have out there.
Yeah, probably got cut.
Cutting room floor. So as an outdoors guy, where's the coolest place you've been, or your favorite adventure?
Well, I really like Florida.
Yeah? No. Yeah? The old part of Florida?
No, up north. Give me outdoors.
Yeah?
I've been to Canada a few times, doing the outpost, take a boat up into the island, chill there for a few weeks. It's a good time. But recently, let me tell you what, been doing a canoe trip with my buddies for a couple of nights in the Wisconsin River, so that's been a hoot as well. Awesome.
And then when you do that, are you bringing food out there with you, or are you just living off the land?
We do eat the fish we catch, but we have to bring some granola bars and
just in case.
Just in case, you don't want to die.
Yeah. So you do this naked and afraid style, or you?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. I mean, everybody's the same. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You've seen one, you've seen them all.
Actually, there is a nudist colony you pass as well.
There's a what?
A nudist colony beach.
Awesome.
So
up north?
At the canoe place.
Oh, okay.
On the Wisconsin River.
Nice.
So we'll bop in there and have a drink with them, and then we'll get back on the trail.
Would you consider a hot dog a sandwich? Why or why not?
Well, it's kind of weird. I mean, it's a round meat, for one.
So if it's a round meat, it can't be a sandwich.
It's more of a sub.
Okay.
I guess, and the shape of the whole thing's a sub.
Okay, well, it's like a hoagie.
Yeah, they all got their own names for the shape of what they are.
Yeah.
But I mean, a burger's a burger, and that's not a sandwich. I don't know.
Are there any, I guess this would be a good one. Are there any unwritten rules here at work?
Oh.
Like replace the toilet paper?
Well, always replace the toilet paper, but the people just don't do it anyways. It's unwritten.
How do you feel about pineapple on pizza?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's one of my favorites.
I would not have guessed that about you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Huh.
Give me, Hawaiian pizza all day, well done.
What about if you go deep dish?
Not the same with pineapple.
Yeah.
No, it's gotta be thin.
Agreed.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll go back to toilet paper real quick because I love this question.
Okay.
Toilet paper goes over the top or from behind? Do you have the, yeah.
Over the top always, man. You rip it right off of there.
Yeah, it makes it easier.
Yes.
I
much
hate when
easier.
people do it wrong.
Right. No common sense.
So this is Rick. If you guys need any welding done, whether it's laser welding, TIG welding, or whatever, you can always call the shop and you'll get Rick and he'll walk you through the project. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Tony.
I'm gonna keep that in though.
Yeah.